The Dindigul Dragons are taking on the Madurai Panthers at the Shriram Capital TNPL 2026. The Dindigul Dragons, the finalists from last year, they've also been champions in the past. On the other hand, really excited to watch these two openers, Siddharth Mahadevan with Ram Kumar. Bhuvneshwaran starts off as Dindigul Dragons search for their second win this year. He tries to pull across the line. Is lucky he didn't hit it well enough. That's a 6. Dances down the track, pulls it across the line, and that's gone many a mile.
Nobody will come into action.
That's it.
Is it the 5th 6 of the innings? It's hit high, handsome. Full outside off, along the ground for 4. Slow ball, edges it to short third. The entertainment has ended. Ram Kumar produced all the goods for the Madurai Panthers.
Shivam.
Very well done by NS Chaturved. Generates the edge. Mahadevan's gone. Viju Arul amongst the wickets. All it took was 3 deliveries for him to make an impression. Using his feet, using the power as well. Goes only as far as the fielder stationed in the deep. Nidranka doesn't put that one down. And Bhuvaneshwaran finally tastes success. The slower deliveries are working wonders.
A little more than 4 overs. Now he comes down the track and just about gets the right distance on it.
He charges down the ground. It's hit him on the full, and the umpire's given it out. He has truly charged down the ground. Normally, you would think that the umpires wouldn't give it. This time he charges down the ground. May not have made the best connection. Is taken by Vineet at long off. So Atik's innings of 26 comes to an end. Slow ball, waits for it, and then sends it along into the crowd. Full toss. He hits that along the ground, too long off. It's been a fantastic spell. He wants to go for the second. Confusion. For the second time in the day, we have got both batters at the same end, and it results in the dismissal of Sarvanan.
I'm sorry, no way that was a 2 because the fielder at long off came in very, very quickly.
Sandeep Warrior won't miss his mark today. They will go for the second this time, and Rajalingam will struggle to get there. The Dindigul Dragons bowlers restrict a power-packed Madurai Panthers batting lineup to 171 for 6 in 18 overs.
First ball now. And just staying in line on that occasion. All that Shivam had to do was offer some redirection. Short fine. Back of a length. Good looking back foot punch. Is fetching him more than he would have bargained for as he found the gap. Both the boundary riders in the deep on the leg side. Will he find one of them? No. Shivam Singh.
But Shivam just cracks it through the offside. Welcomes Gurjapneet.
Down the wicket goes VK Vineet. This time logs it over deep mid wicket. Gets inside the line. This time targets the short fine region, the pockets.
Oh, got him! Terrific Yorker. VK Vineet, you were just praising him about his under 19 ways. Got done in. That had. Tries to go big, could go to hand, and it does. Brilliantly caught. Indrajit just getting a little impatient. You can argue that the ball was there, it was in the slot, needed to get a little more elevation. Goes big on the offside. Shivam has played well today, and he catches it really well. Oh, just inside that wide line. There's a late appeal by the keeper, but I do think that Shivam was well in.
He is off the back foot, maybe he lifted his leg. But the keeper has appealed.
Yes, satisfied, you can freeze it there. I can see no part of the foot is grounded behind the pop increase as the bails are put down. I'm ready with my decision for the big screen.
Oh, he goes for the full banga, and it's been put away by Honey Sani.
With the knowledge that he cannot get the batter out in many ways. Oh, this time he can. With this ball he can. It deserved an effort of that kind. Periasamy puts his hand up.
Up, but not long. Who's going to get underneath? They're all lining up, but it's a return catch to Gurjapneet. He deserves that wicket. Tricked the player with a slow delivery.
Beautifully driven all along the carpet and picks up a Shriram Capital fantastic 4. It's gone high into the night sky. Well pouched. Not easy in these wet conditions under lights as the ball goes in and out of lights because of that height. Throws his bat at that one, gets the outside edge, and it runs away for a 4. Well, 9 runs and a wicket coming off the final over of the chase. 150 comes up for the Indigo Dragons, but they fall 21 runs short of the Madurai Panthers, and they continue unbeaten in this tournament. Absolutely brilliant from Madurai Panthers.